As an outdoor enthusiast and a fishing guide, it's very important to me to help protect and take care of the things that take care of me. Over the past 30 years, I've been using a product called Shore Life. Now, what Shore Life is a product that I could add to my live well that helps protect, helps take care of my catch. So when I release them fish at the end of the day, they actually get released healthier than when they were caught. Now, the two products I personally use is the Please Release Me and Catch and Release. Now, these two products reduce the stress and calms the catch. They stimulate and protect the slime coat, reduce weight loss by preventing stomach regurgitation, prevent shock and restore their electrolyte balance, instantly remove harmful chlorine and other toxic water treatment chemicals. They boost the oxygen transfer and protect against all other post-release infections. All it takes is 1 teaspoon for every 10 gallons of water you have in your live well. That's it, guys. 1 teaspoon for every 10 gallons of water. The water will turn a bluish green color. If you use your recirculator in the live wells and you're constantly bringing fresh water in, as that bluish green water dissipates, just redo the process. But guys, I am telling you, put Shore Life in your daily fishing routine and you won't be sorry. For more information on Shore Life products, make sure to contact them at www.shore-life.com. Again, that is www.shore-life.com. Guys, look forward to seeing you on the water, and get some Shore Life in your boat, and let's protect our fish for future generations to enjoy just like we do.